Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the exact text or cursor point you want to target. This is critical because bookmarks reference a location, not a style. Once selected, go to Insert then Bookmark, type a concise name with no spaces so Word accepts it, and press Add to create the anchor. You do this now so links later point correctly. Make sure names are unique across the document. Once done, keep the bookmark name visible, or note it to use when creating the linking hyperlink next. You now turn that anchor into a working link. Select the text or object that will be clickable because that display element carries the navigation. Right-click and choose Link or Hyperlink, then pick Place in this document from the side panel. This lets you target internal bookmarks. From the list, select the bookmark name you added earlier, then click OK to finalize. This creates an internal hyperlink that jumps directly to the bookmarked location, improving navigation for readers and reviewers. You finish by testing the link. Press Ctrl+Click or right-click Open Hyperlink to confirm it jumps to the bookmark. If it doesn't, make sure the bookmark still exists and that you haven't renamed it. Links reference exact bookmark names. If the bookmark moved or was deleted, recreate it at the intended spot and relink the display text. One key troubleshooting tip. Toggling show /hide paragraph can reveal hidden characters that shift cursor placement, so reselect precise text before re-adding a bookmark.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.